they should know coverages. I have to be honest with you there, is that I've never had a client walk in the door who really knew everything about their auto policy or their health insurance policy or their homeowner's policy. So good luck with that if you find someone who actually understands all this going in.
Yeah, it's a very broad subject to get into, insurance, and there's a ton of gray area, which is why you want your agent, whoever it is, to be fully knowledgeable and easily accessible.
It changes too.
All the time. I have a research program where I often have emails and books that I read to keep up on the current insurance issues and to kind of take that gray area and slim it down as much as possible.
Well, what would you recommend then to someone who is maybe they moved to the area and they need to get some insurance in Virginia, or they're thinking about changing carriers for either homeowners or auto, marine. What's a good strategy then that a consumer can use? Because when I teach people how to find a lawyer, I tell them, go to the internet, look around, get a little bit educated, and then ask people for their information, and then kind of wind your way up to a free visit, which most lawyers will give. What do you tell people to do?
In insurance, every company is pretty much the same when you come to them. They're going to talk to you up front, just like a lawyer would. However, the reputation of the company is very important. Usually things don't change within a company. There's lots of ways to look that up. You can find it on the Better Business Bureau. You can go to the Virginia Bureau of Insurance and look up any issues that particular agent has had in the past. I myself have had none, and I hope to never have any. And beyond that, listen to what they're actually saying. Are they saying, oh, no, you don't need this coverage? Or, hey, well, let's go with this cheaper price. When it comes down to insurance, cheaper is very rarely better. You usually want to go with the better coverage.
Okay. And as an independent agent, do you have the ability to look sort of at different companies, the products that different companies have to offer?
Absolutely. As an independent agent, I'm not captive, so I don't have to sell just one company's product like State Farm or Geico. I have several different companies that I can compare rates with and find the one that's best for you.
So bottom line is, if you're thinking about this, is go on the internet, get educated, even try out some of these online quotes, but then call a guy like you, or call you if you're in the North Stafford area. You'll sit down with them, review their current financial situation. I mean, I imagine too, it's different. You know, a single guy who's 23 living by himself in an apartment has different needs than the professional who's married, got children. Maybe it's two wage earners in the family, got a couple cars, maybe have a boat. That's two different pictures, right?
Hugely different pictures, and even beyond that, when you go online, there's a system process that every insurance agent goes through. The first portion is the quoting process, which takes all the information that you have and develops a number, a price. But that doesn't include your motor vehicle report and your clue report, usually. The motor vehicle report is very important, and very, very rarely do people actually know what is on the motor vehicle report.
No, sometimes people are surprised to find what's there, because we pull them a lot when we're representing someone in an accident. And for a lot of reasons, they may be surprised. You say that's sort of part of the mandatory process at